How to lock your Fifth Third debit card. First of all, log into your Fifth Third Bank online account through their official website at 53.com. Once logged in, navigate to the card management section. Here you will find the option to lock your debit card to prevent any unauthorized transactions. If you do not see this option online, you can also use the Fifth Third Bank mobile app to lock your card instantly. First of all, log into the Fifth Third Bank account and once logged in, navigate to the card management section. Then tap the card you want to lock. Here you will find the option to lock and unlock the card. Then toggle the lock option to lock your Fifth Third debit card. Alternatively, call Fifth Third Bank customer service for immediate assistance to lock your debit card. Locking your debit card is a great way to protect your account if you misplace your card or suspect suspicious activity. And that's it. Now you know how to lock your Fifth Third debit card quickly and safely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.